Hello and welcome back to Osborne Insider, where you can get the latest information about our products, installation tips, and other news. If you have been looking for ways to enhance the look of your living area, our selection of coffee and end table legs is a great start. One of our most popular coffee table legs is the House of Wood, created in collaboration with Jen Woodhouse. It is part 1332 and is immediately noticeable due to its short profile. This leg is 10 inches tall, unlike the typical 18-inch coffee leg height, and has a 4 7/8 inch width. The rounded design is perfect for balustrade or farmhouse table build. We also offer the traditional end table leg, which is a matching 21-inch tall design. It has the same width, but the taller profile gives it a slender look. This leg is part 1232. Both of these leg designs will add timeless appeal to your home. They are available in a wide range of wood types, including stain and paint grade options. Each leg is sanded to 150 grit and left unfinished to make customization easy. Thank you for joining me for this Osborne Insider. If you would like to stay updated with our newest content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, I hope you take the opportunity to build something beautiful.